For universal use for medium to large renovation and decoration work, especially for larger wall painting projects, I recommend these two devices. The W950 Flexio is a device with HVLP technology. This technology is characterized by an adjustable spray jet and therefore excellent control when applying paint. With direct suction, you can suck in your wall paint directly from the paint bucket without stopping your work. The integrated lance provides even more flexibility. You can even spray high ceilings and walls without a ladder. This is really practical and very easy to use. The W950 Flexio also has a self-cleaning function, which is sure to be appreciated, so cleaning the appliance is also quick and easy. The Control 150M is an airless sprayer and is a little more expensive, but it offers a higher paint flow rate. This means that if you have larger renovation projects with wall paint, varnishes, or wood stains, you can work faster with it. The Control 150M also has a top-loading hopper, that's this part here, so you can pour your material straight in. Another advantage is the lightweight airless spray gun, which helps ensure fatigue-free paint application.